So 70 tons of structural steel. Here's why we specified it and why it was the right choice for this home. So when we design a home, there are multiple options we could go with. So we choose generally between timber, steel, or masonry. Now, because we wanted like an open plan living space, minimizing the number of columns in the room and reducing cluttering, we decided for that steel was the best choice. And the reason why steel is very predictable, it's well engineered, precise, but no surprises, you're not going to get movement over time. So it's a solid choice used by millions of builders around the world for decades. And also we work with our structural engineer who did the design and also recommended to go with steel.
This is what happens when the architect and engineer sit down together. They're discussing beam sizing, load paths, connection details, all the stuff that turn a design to something you can actually build. The steel frame here has to carry the entire load of the house, floors, roof, wind. Every beam, every connection is calculated and specified. The engineers explain how the loads flow down through the steels into the foundations. This is the fundamentals of engineering. What's critical is the architect and engineer working together. The architect draws the vision, the engineers make it real. When you've got an experienced team like us called in both, you get a design that's beautiful and technically optimized.
So we see steel more as an opportunity, not a constraint. Good engineers solve problems and suggest alternative solutions, and we collaborate quite intensely with our structural engineer for the design and build of this home. So the next video, we'll see these steels arrive on site. Always one of the most exciting days of the project. It involves military precision, logistics, and as I said, it's quite an exciting day to see the actual steel frame of the house go up. So we'll see you on the next one.
So book a private appointment at our show home to see the quality of our work. Links are in the description.